Today we are going to discuss chapter 7 data handling. In that exercise 3, question number 3. The question is given here. The following table shows that the monthly budget of a family. Draw pie chart to represent the above, to represent the data. See, this is the given data. Item. They are given items: food, clothing, rent, education, risk, savings. Okay. So these are the items and expenses. అంటే ఫుడ్ కి ఎంత ఖర్చు పెట్టేస్తున్నాం మనం, ఎంత స్పెండ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకేనా? దట్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ద ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్. ఫుడ్ కి హౌ మచ్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ వచ్చేసి ఇన్ రూపీస్ 4800. ఫర్ క్లాతింగ్ 2400. రెంట్ 1800. ఎడ్యుకేషన్ 600. మిస్ 1600. savings 800. So for the particular items ki these are the expenses. Now if you want to draw the pie chart, we want a central angle. We want a central angle. See here, this is the formula for central angle. What is that one? Central angle for a component is equal to value of the component by total value into 360. Okay, now degrees. So first of all, I am going to find the total. First total find out because of we want this formula total values. That's why I am finding here total. Adding all zeros. Okay, so 0 0 0 0 0 all zeros. Next 0 0 0 0 0 0 again 0 only. Next 100 plus 8 8 4 12 12 8 20 26 26 26 6 32 32 plus 8 40 means here 0 here 4. Next 4 plus 1 5 5 plus 1 6 6 plus 2 8 8 plus 4 12 means we get the total value. Total value is equals to what now? 12,000. So now I want a central angle for each item. Each item ki enta man angle find out cheyali for drawing the pie chart. By using this formula, what is the item here? Food. Okay, now central angle for food. So how much expenses? Central angle for food. Food వచ్చేసి ఎంత ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ 4800. 4800 by total value means what now? That is 12,000. Total value is equals to 12,000 into 360 degrees. 360 whole degrees. So simply what I am doing here, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 0 0 cancel. 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36. Now 48 into 3 means we get 3 8s are 24, 3 4s are 12, 12 ki 2 add cheste 44. So we get, what is the required angle here? 144 degrees. What now? 144 degrees. Next, central angle for clothing. Central angle for clothing. That is equals to 2400 by total value means that is 12,000. Total value means 12,000 into 360 degrees. Again as usually 0 0 cancel, 0 0 0 0. Now 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36. Now 24 into 3. 24 into 3. 3 4 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. We will get 72 degrees. For clothing, what is the central angle for clothing? 72 degrees. Like that only. What is the next item? Next item is rental. Central angle for rental, that is equals to what now? Expenses 1800 by total value means that is 12,000 into 360 whole thing. 0 0 0 0 0 0. 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36. Again 18 into 3. 18 into 3. 3 18 threes are what? We get that is 54. So that is central angle for rent వచ్చేసి 54 degrees. Now education. Central angle for education. Education, how much expenses now? They are spending 600 rupees only. 600 by total value means what? That is 12,000 into 360 whole degree. 0 0 0 0 0 0. 12 ones are 12 threes are. Here 6 is there. 6 into 3. 6 threes are what now? That is 18. We get 80 degrees. Okay. So next, central angle for MISC. Central angle for MISC. That is equals to what now here? 1600. So 1600 by 12,000 into 360 whole degree. 0 0 cancel. 0 0 0 0 cancel. 12 ones are 12 threes are. Means 16 into 3. 16 threes are what? That is 48 degrees. Next, last one, savings. Last one what? Savings. ఇక్కడ savings వచ్చేసి central angle for savings, that is equals to how much is monthly saving. ఒక family monthly saving ఎంత ఉంది ఇక్కడ? 800 rupees. So that is 800 by 12,000 into 360. Okay, for power degree. 0 0 cancel. 0 0 0 0 cancel. 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36. 8 into 3. 8 threes are what now? 24 degrees. Now everyone first see here. We get first one 144 degrees. The central angle for food 144 degrees. Then central angle for clothing, that is 72 degrees. Central angle for rent, that is 54 degrees. Central angle for education 18 degrees. Central angle for MISC, that is 48 degrees. Central angle for savings, that is 24 degrees. Then you add now. What we get? 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 8 that is 26, 26 plus 4 that is 30. 0 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 5 that is 19, 19 plus 1 this is 20, 20 plus 4 24, 24 plus 2 that is 26. ఇక్కడ 6 ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి 2. 1 plus 2 1 3. అంటే టోటల్ మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది? we get 360 degrees. అంటే pie chart we draw like this only na. ఒక సర్కిల్ షేప్ లో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఒక సర్కిల్ with any big radius. So పర్టికులర్ 5 సెంటీమీటర్ 6 సెంటీమీటర్ రేడియస్ తీసుకొని by using compass draw a circle. Afterwards using protractor, మీ దగ్గర protractor ఉంటుంది కదా D shape లో, by using protractor you just draw the angles. For example, the 144 degrees means approximately we get this is the center 0 O center. 144 degrees means approximately you will get like this. Okay, next 72 degrees means you get like this, and the next 54 degrees means you get like this. Next 48 degrees means like this, 48 degrees. Next 54 degrees. 54 degrees completed, 72 completed, 48 completed. So this one 18 degrees and 48, 54, and this is 24. So approximately for your understanding purpose, I draw like this. Okay now, అంటే ఈ సెంట్రల్ యాంగిల్స్ చేస్తే మనకి టోటల్ at the center we get 360 degrees. By using protractor you can draw the pie chart. For the purpose of variation, totally వచ్చేసి you draw like this. For purpose of variation, for plotting you keep the dots. Okay now, you show the variation in each sector. Okay na, so like this you can draw the pie chart for the given data. So in this central angle place for you write 144 degrees we get 72 degrees, 54 degrees, 18 degrees, 48 degrees and 24 degrees. Like this fill the table. Okay na. Afterwards, by using the central angle, draw the pie chart. You will get the required answer for this question. Thank you, students.